So guys, customer calls me up. Hey, my car's running really, really bad. And he suggested that I check his oil and bring it back up. So I was like, no problem. The reason why his car was running bad was because it was misfiring. So I changed out one coil. It seemed like one coil went bad, but we went ahead and changed out all the coils. But anyways, and then I did the oil change, and this is what came out the engine. And the thing is, he had a quart of oil in his trunk, but he just didn't know how to change it. So today, I want to discuss the importance of changing your oil, because he was a college student. He spent $4,500 cash on this car. And it would have just been devastating if he was, by the grace of God, he didn't screw up his engine. Okay, guys. So open your hood and your oil. You see that yellow stick? That's your oil dipstick, okay? And you may have a sticker on your car that tells you the type of oil to get. And if you don't have a sticker, you can probably just stick with the 5W30 synthetic. That's where your oil is located, and that's where you're going to pour the oil in. Right there, guys. So let's go ahead and check the oil level. The first thing you want to do is your car should be on level ground and your engine should be cold. Best to do this early in the morning. Go ahead and pull that dipstick out and wipe it clean. Make sure it's clean, guys, because sometimes it's hard to tell where the oil level is. So go ahead and wipe it clean, and you can see when we put that dipstick back in, hopefully we're going to get some oil that will stick to that dipstick. And we want to ensure that the oil level is between the low and the high mark. See, that's the low and that's the high mark. That's why it's important to clean it really good. That's the low and that's the high mark. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. I'm gonna use two hands. You see how I'm using my two hands? The lower hand is used to guide the dipstick back in, and the upper hand is used to push. So I'm gonna guide it all the way back down, and we're gonna pull it back out and see if we can check the oil level. Sometimes you have to twist and turn, get into the right position. But there we go. It's hard to see, guys, but I'm about 3/4 of a quart low, guys. Because usually between the low and the upper mark is going to be 1 quart. You probably can't see, but I'm about 3/4 quart down by the high mark. And that's all you have to do to check your oil. And here's a picture. That's the high and that's the low, okay? You want to be in between that yellow area. And then after that, you just put the dipstick back in. That oil cap you see, that's where you put the oil at, okay? That's where you pour your oil. Real simple. You can buy a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, just be careful and just take your time. There should be marks on the 1 quart oil bottle to let you know how much is going in. Again, if you're at the minimum mark, put the whole bottle in. 1 quart will bring you back up to the max. And that's it, guys.